Traders, let's take a look at what's on the move this morning. On the move, we got KNDI up almost 80%. Over 19 million traded pre-market. That's in play. KODK, Kodak, another big move this morning, up almost 30%. Almost 9 million traded pre-market. That's in play. BLNK, small price stock, up over 21%. Almost 2 million traded pre-market. We've got quite a few here moving. A lot of earnings plays this morning also. So let's go see what we can grab out of this market. Wynn, we're going to short this right here at the ask. All right, we are short WYNN at 76.31. And as soon as we get in, it starts to pop here. Well, we got in it because it looked like it was just going to break the lows here again. I think it does, though. I think it does. Gapped up, and daily's not really that strong, so we think it'll just sell off here. At least down to, I'm thinking, below 75.75, and stop loss will be over 76.75, about 75 cents each way. All right, here we go. All right, here we go again. All right, we're gonna come out of this thing. Don't really like this anymore. Let's come out of this. All right, we're out. Didn't take much. We only took like 15 cents or so. It just doesn't know what it wants to do here, and I'm not gonna wait around. Market's starting to climb here, so it's best just come out. All right, we are short UPS at 137.12. We think this thing is gonna crack this area here and drop down to at least 136. That'll be our target. All right, here it comes. Come on, a little bit more. Let's take a look at this thing up close here. Here we go. All right, let's take this right here if we can. All right, we're up. Nice. Nice, and look, it just cracked 136. I should have waited a little bit longer, but the spread's like 20 cents, so it's all right. We took about, what is that, 90 cents? BA, we're going to short this right here at the ask, if we can get in it. All right, we are short BA at 162.31. This looks great here for a continuation below 162 here. It's going hard. Come on, let's keep this thing going. I'd like to see this down, at least down to below 160.150 here. Come on. Stop loss will be over 163. Come on, a little bit more. Come on. Just need this to crack one more time. Here it is. All right, this thing's having a hard time here. Let's just get out of this. I'm gonna get out of this right here. All right, let's get out of this. All right, we're up. We took a 10-cent loser. You know, when it didn't drop there the way I wanted it to, below 162, I get a little skittish. So let's just come out. The small loss. This thing can bounce anytime. It's Boeing, you know. Boeing's a big company. One big buyer can come in and blast this sucker right off. All right, we are long qcom at 102.89. We think this thing blasts off over 103, so target's going to be around 104. Stop loss will be below 102. All right, it's pulling back here. I don't like that, but we're going to give it a little leeway here. I think this thing's going to climb. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Needed to go right back up to 103 one more time here, and it should take off, I'm thinking. Market's climbing. We got a little bit of green. We got a nice green candle forming on the SPY, so it should help the stock climb here. The stock gapped up, and it's just been consolidating here. You know, it wants to climb. It wants to climb, but is it going to climb before it drops? That's the question here. We'll see. All right, come on. Let's get this sucker over 103 here. Here we go. It's got to go soon. Market's looking a little weak. You know what? We're going to come out of this. Don't like this anymore here. Let's come out of this right here. Come on. We're up. Took a good size loser. I don't trust it anymore. Look, I don't want it to break 102 and drop all the way to 101. That's going to be a good size loser. The market's dropping. It was climbing there first for a little bit there, and then it just turned around. We took, what is that, an 80-cent loser. We are short BA at 162.83. I like the way this big fat green candle got taken out. So we think this thing's going to take out this area here, which is about 162.50, and it's just going to drop hard, I'm thinking. Let's take a look at this thing up close. Our stop loss will be over 163.75, and target will be below 160, around 161.75, about a point each way. It's our second trade on it. We took a 10-cent loser on it earlier. Good thing we got out because it climbed. But it's looking a little weak here. So we'll see if it drops. take this thing below 162 and then we'll see what we do with it. Should be a decent amount of stops in these areas here. We're heading down to 62, 162, come on. Nice big fat red candle. Alright, here we go. We're going to crack 162 here. I don't see why not. Come on. No, we're just going to take it. Alright, let's take this right here. Alright, we're out. Just in case it bounces here. We got back what we lost on qcom. What is that? We took about 80 cents or so. qcom. We just got in qcom a few seconds ago at 102.83. Looks great here for a breakout over the top here. I'm going to see if we can bring this up to 104, and stop loss will be below 102. I don't see why this thing don't go. This thing has been consolidating up here, dropped, and now it's popping fairly decent here. We think it'll just take out 103 and shoot right over to 104. Come on, don't see why not. We took it earlier and we took an 80-cent loser on it, but we're gonna see if this thing goes now. Pop over 103 and give me a nice big fat green candle here. Come on, let's take a look at this thing up close. Alright, we're over 103. Let's see if we can get this thing over. I'd like to see at least over at 103.50. Come on, qcom, we're gonna come out of this. Alright, we're out. We are out. The market looks like it's getting weak again here, so I'd rather come out of this right now. This thing's been putting in quite a few green candles here, and I might still climb here, but the way the SPY looks here, it looks like it's just going to turn around and drop, and if that happens, the stock will drop too. But that's going to be it for us today. Don't really see anything else here that looks good. So we're going to call it a day here. We're up 243. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 trades, 4 winners, 2 losers. Our biggest winner on UPS and our biggest loser on qcom. Thanks for watching.